Welcome to another Language Broker English lesson. It's time to listen to another short story. Do not translate, just listen. It's Sunday morning and the sun is shining. At 9 a.m., Mia and Jake arrive at the local farmers market in the city. Mia looks at her watch. Perfect timing, she says. The market just opened. The market is busy. People walk around carrying bags of fresh food. There are many small square tables covered with fruit, bread, and vegetables. Look at these oranges, says Jake. They're so round, like perfect circles. Mia smiles. The watermelons are even bigger than I remember last week. I like how the cut pieces are in big triangles. They stop at the bread stand. These loaves of bread are shaped like squares, Mia says, picking one up. Let's get one for lunch. At the cheese stand, the vendor offers them a sample. The cheese is cut into small cubes. Jake checks his phone. It's 9:30. We still have time to walk around. At another stand, they see cookies in fun shapes like stars, hearts, and even flowers. Mia buys 2 star-shaped cookies. By 10 o'clock, their shopping cart is full. They have round tomatoes, cubed cheese, a square loaf of bread, and some fresh herbs. I love this place, Mia says. Good food, nice people, and so many different shapes. Jake nods. And we get everything we need right on time. The end. Great job listening. Practice, practice, practice. Remember, the more you practice, the better you become. If you liked this video, please click like. Click subscribe so you never miss a new video. Go to the next lesson. I will see you in a bit. Bye.